Prasatakcha temple was built in 105 AD during the reign of King Suryavarman. Hello everyone, today I come to visit the temples of Prasatakcha. This group, my name is Isa.
My name Pirwat.
My name is Rainier.
My name is Rainat. My name Nika. My name Chana.
My name Thuvi. Prasatakcha is a group of temples in Thmoda village, Bangnai Commune and Thmai village, Kroi Commune and Precho district, about 39 km from Kampong Cham National Provincial Town. And visitors can reach Prasatakcha by taking National Road and driving 13 km before turning right again and driving another 5 km. Local and cannot draw to the temple side.
Prasatakcha temple was built in 105 AD during the reign of King Suryavarman. One city to Lord Shiva. It is a longest spring temple in the Taksha area, measuring 7 8 long, 73 meters wide, and 10 meters high. Inscription mention the scholar Chungshil Oleg Mantras paint the star as the one who selected the site and oversaw its construction inside a Shiva Lingam. Sri Patrisvara on accompanying water were inscribed with a large reservoir. Lake Mantra days nearby depicts Dharma from where and water. The temple remains a vital cultural heritage and continue to both local and international visitors.